Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a sneak peek into the energies we can expect for February now. What are the energies coming towards you, Aqua, and how we can navigate them and use them to our advantage to have the best month going forward. And these are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you out there. So be mindful of that, take what works for you, and just leave the rest. Okay? So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of February. Thank you. Aquarius, this time we're going to take a Ganesha Oracle card, Lord Ganesha being the bringer of new beginnings, abundance, love, joy, peace. Let's welcome in the month of February with a message from Lord Ganesha. So Lord Ganesha, what's the message for my Aqua gang now, please? A blessing for Aquarius. This one. All right. Let's put this one here, Aquarius, and put the rest back. The card I have for you, Aquarius, is Achievement. That's an excellent card to have for a new month, isn't it? I don't know what you're going to be achieving or what there is. Let's just take a couple of lines from here. That's 42 and 73. You are surrounded by abundance and prosperity, luxury and quality, prestige and sophistication, value and elegance. So this is what you could be expecting now in the month of February, it seems, Aquarius. Let's see what's going on here. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your kind comments, your likes, your shares, your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in, Aquarius. And if any of you needing a private reading, Aquarius, you can email me. My email is in the description box below. So let's see what's coming up for February for my Aqua gang. Queen of Cups. All right, bottom of my deck. So a lot of self-healing, self-loving, very intuitive at this time, I think, as well. Your current energy, though, is the devil. What are you obsessed about? Okay, so obsessing about maybe money, abundance. Right now, in the past, I think you moved away from something that was really troubling you, Aquarius, and you made efforts to move to a calmer place in your life. But right now, I do see you obsessing over something, and in February also, but February, I see you holding on very tightly to your achievements, whether this was in terms of money that you earned, whether this is in love, whether this is in your work, whatever this is. In February, I see you sitting quite pretty with all your achievements under your belt here, right? Look at this person. He has 2 pentacles behind his feet, one in his hand, one beside him. So these are all achievements. They almost look like medals that this person has collected. So why are you in the devil energy currently? This is not even Feb yet, right? So, okay. So why is my Aquarius in the devil energy right now? Aquarius, right now you are obsessing about the fact that you want to take back power, take back control of your life. You feel that all the offers that are coming towards you are not good enough, and you're looking for direction here. You're looking for some clear-cut vision, clear-cut direction, and you feel all these offers that maybe have not come yet and they are kind of bothering you, or the ones that have come to you are not good enough, right? This could be, again, work, love, money, anything. But you are obsessing about the fact that no, sooner than later, you have to take back control, take back charge of your life. In the past, you moved away from something that was really troubling you, Aquarius, and you did, I think, make that movement to reach this emperorhood, reach this place of taking back control of your life. These could have been baby steps, I think, that you took towards something new, a creative new journey, creative new path, or something new in your life, which you felt would give you more ease and comfort. So, what is this Four of Pentacles then, Spirit, in February? Oh, wow. Aquarius. Beautiful energy, my God. Aquarius, I don't know whether you're masculine here, feminine here, but it really doesn't matter because I have both here. I have the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. And holding on to your pentacles really tight. So money is going to be on your mind big time, Aquarius, in February, and you are going to be achieving it, I think. And you're going to be holding on to this very tight. You made some effort in the past, you started something new, you got out of something that wasn't working. Right now, I see you obsessing about the right offer to take, and in February, I think you will be achieving it. Beautiful. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. So, anything else, Spirit, for the Four of Pentacles here? This you are achieving, Aquarius, this balance in your, I think, material world, or maybe this could be a partnership, love as well, but you are achieving this balance that you feel now of getting what you deserve after you moved away from something that was not working for you. You escaped a situation which was maybe imbalanced in the past, but now, after escaping it, taking back control of your life, I do see you achieving it and keeping a hold on that. So, let's see what you should hold on to. Yes, hold on to this feeling. Whatever you started here, Aquarius, with the Page of Wands energy in the past, which is leading you to this prosperity, keep moving ahead. You have the Ace of Wands in your hands now. Nobody can take it away. You are holding on to your achievements very, very tight. And Spirit is urging you, don't give that up. Keep that creative spark or that passion alive and keep forging ahead. Yes, you are now given, you have the two of Wands, right? And the world in your hands. Now this is a time where you will start planning about what is your next move. You have the world in your hands. You've already achieved, or you are going to be achieving all your abundance in whatever way you want to see it. But Spirit is saying, hold on to this feeling that yes, I can keep forging ahead. I have the world in my hands and I can make a success of myself. Okay? So, what is it that you should let go of? Ace of Pentacles is here as well. So why should Aquarius let go of that? Aquarius, if things have been things were very stagnated in the past, if things didn't move very well in the past, or there was a slowdown maybe of offers coming your way, any stable offers coming your way, maybe through big companies, or maybe in a commitment, or a huge offer that you were expecting, right? And you've been very, very stressed out about it and not being able to sleep at night, or worrying unnecessarily about it. Spirit is saying, let go of this energy, because in February, you are being offered this. You are being offered the Ace of Pentacles. And this is the same Ace of Pentacles. I see this Queen of Pentacles holding, and I see the same Ace of Pentacles that this King of Pentacles is holding, right? So whoever you are, masculine, feminine, watching, this is not gender biased, okay? This Ace of Pentacles is meant for Aquarius, a stable new beginning coming for you in February. With the world in your hands, now you can choose what you want to do with wherever you're going. Okay? So let's see what is going to become your biggest blockage. Ten of Cups. Why will that be a blockage? Oh, okay. I think while you're waiting for your ships to come in, Aquarius, your biggest blockage is going to be feeling if I move one direction, I may lose my emotional satisfaction, right? You want to take the path which is going to give you supreme happiness. You will be a bit kind of in contemplation right now to see what else is out there, what should I do, what is going to give me the maximum happiness. And don't wait around for too long, Aquarius, because that could lead to a tower moment here. What's this tower moment that can become a blockage, Spirit, for Aquarius? What? One more. Going back to the past. Going back to the past can actually become a blockage in your life, Aquarius. If there is some offer coming which you are not, which you've already left behind, maybe this could be a job offer, and that's a small offer which comes to you, and you you have been waiting, you have been waiting for those new offers to come in. And if a new offer comes to an old offer comes to you for a restart of that, it can kind of put you into a tower moment, because you won't know what's going to actually make you happy. You want complete happiness, right? So this can become a kind of a tower moment where you will kind of be in limbo. Should I turn my back to the past and see what else is out there, or should I see what is coming towards me now, new? So just be a little mindful of that, because this can kind of slow down your process. You have to be making the right decisions for what gives you complete happiness. You have to just close your eyes and see, was I happy in this past thing? Did it give me the 10 of cups? And if not, then it's time for me to move forward, even if I don't know what's coming forward. Or if you feel, yes, I've been waiting for that rebirth or reunion of that past thing, and that was my 10 of cups. It's going to be your choice. But just don't kind of stay in limbo. How do people see you? People see you as the Page of Cups. People see you taking a new direction, Aquarius. People see that you're on for the new. Maybe something in the past really burdened you. You are taking a new passionate new beginning somewhere else, and you're looking for your wish fulfillment. You're looking for your wish fulfillment. This past thing, I think, made you a little overburdened. I had a feeling about that, but I wouldn't be surprised if this old offer also came back to offer you something. But it may not, it may put you in a little bit of in your emotions a little bit, because there are secrets here, or you don't know, you don't have clarity as to why this offer is coming back to you. So Aquarius, if... And what I mean to say is, whatever offer is coming, make sure it makes you feel emotionally happy. Your emotional happiness is equivalent to your financial satisfaction. Okay? So whatever is going to give you happiness in your heart will be the right decision to make to get maximum abundance in your life, achievement in your life. So if somebody is coming back from your past and saying, hey, sorry, we let you go, why don't you come back? And you feel burdened by that thought, and you get confused by that thought, go towards the thing which gives you emotional happiness by yourself, not thinking it'll make this person happy or this company happy or whatever. Just make sure that you, on a personal level, feel like the 9 of Cups before you accept any offer. What's Spirit's secret message to you? Yes, keep that sword up. Keep that sword up now, Aquarius. You're older, wiser. You've been through the battles, right? And yes, maybe you may have been very trusting in the past, maybe over-loving, over-giving, very childlike, always kind of pouring into others. And that's the reason you've kind of had these troubled times maybe in the past. But now Spirit's advice to you is, use your head over heart as well. And not that you have to not listen to your heart, but this time I want you to listen to your heart, to what makes you happy. Queen of Swords, Spirit, why is that your message to Aquarius? Queen of Swords. You're complete, I mean, I love the way Spirit's final message comes across as a completion of the entire read that I do. Yes, Aquarius, you have to stay strong now, okay? If people have kind of played mind games on you, if they are still trying to, manipulate you or make you feel less than, or if they make you feel you can't succeed, I think it's time now. Get out of this lack mentality. The people, people are jealous. People have their own agenda, and they try and make you feel abandoned, left out in the cold. It's time to end this chapter, this past chapter where people always kind of won over you, made you feel like a loser. Now you've regained your strength, Aquarius, and pick up that sword now and be very clear of your directions, because I think if you make the wise decisions here, Aquarius, you are heading towards your own achievements now. Okay, so keep that in mind. I hope this worked for you. And till your next reading, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.